What if you discovered the only thing standing between you and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson levels of success was this half-used box of triple ply super soft tissues, and how you can use this hack to reach more people, more sales, or get paid when you're not even trying to sell anything? Better yet, what if, God forbid, internet marketing could actually be fun? You see, back in 1924, the humble tissue was used in Hollywood by the stars, not to blow noses, but to remove makeup. Now, since then, they've evolved to cleaning eyeglasses, last-minute dusting, makeshift blankets for toy Barbie dolls, and of course, drying tears on chick flick nights. Yet, still the same product for nearly 100 years. But the packaging, the marketing, and the positioning evolved to meet these new uses so powerfully that a box of tissues is now a staple in most homes and offices around the world. Wouldn't internet marketing be easier if it evolved at the same pace as a box of tissues? Now, if you've ever been frustrated with social media marketing, e-commerce, video marketing, affiliate marketing, local marketing, or trying to create your own products, pause and breathe. Today, you can quit worrying about trying to keep up and instead take your place at the forefront of a brand new technology we've called V-Tail, letting you instantly dominate all of those marketing fields without having to learn any of them. V-Tail is the next evolutionary step for online marketing, combining the conversion rocket fuel of video with the selling power of e-commerce and a generous sprinkle of viral social media marketing. It's all packaged beautifully in a way that's easy, profitable, and fun with iSlick. Let's have a look at how simple it is to create a channel, set up products in the live marketplace, and get paid. This brand new social media platform that's easy to use, where you can get paid for sharing your experiences, hosting your own webinars, uploading videos, selling products, and more. Anyone can watch your channel and send you cash rewards. They can share your videos on social media or click focus to subscribe to see your videos. When you're online, viewers can call you to learn from your experience. You set your price, and every minute you'll get paid for sharing your professional skills. Or you can create a group call and make a paid session live in just a few minutes. Or go live to thousands on a free-to-air webinar demonstration, turning your channel into a real live commerce business. Every viewer will see the list of videos on your channel, but it's much more powerful than a simple playlist. It's another place where you can make profits using our overlay button feature. You can add overlay buttons to any video. Sell full video access, so they need to pay to access locked parts of your training. Sell products on the videos directly. Add an external link to your video. Or sell exclusive rights, and if the viewer buys exclusive rights, it automatically transfers that video to their channel. Below, users can find more information about your channel, see your experience, category, and badges. And here you can schedule your broadcasting. Every viewer who comes to your channel can see when your next session is going to be held and can ask to get push notifications of your next broadcast. One of the most profitable features is here with your channel products. You can sell any kind of product. You can sell physical products, for example, clothing or accessories, or digital products like courses or ebooks. Plus, you can connect your products using your overlay buttons, so you're ready to sell when they want to buy. We'll automatically advertise to target and retarget audiences that visit the marketplace, helping you promote your products. Users can find your products, videos, and more in the iSlick marketplace. People everywhere and in any niche are using iSlick to reach bigger audiences, have a lot more engagement, and give them an easy way to buy from you. Personal trainers are offering online private PT sessions, selling small bootcamp programs, physical products like nutritional supplements and gym gear. Astrologers can charge by the minute for personalized live reading with everything live and at the price you choose in about 60 seconds. Business coaches are using iSlick to provide one-on-one mentoring at a high-end price, or holding large-scale webinars for free with push notifications automatically going out to their channel subscribers. Even teenagers are using their phones to capture breaking news or going live sharing their stories and their experiences, making money by receiving donations from their viewers and their channel subscribers. Local business and e-com store owners are using it to showcase their products, giving direct links in the videos or offering live streaming demonstrations of some of their more popular products, providing an opportunity to answer questions and, of course, have their viewers click and buy right then and there. Everyone from interior decorators and librarians to real estate agents and lawyers are loving iSlick because the options here are truly endless. Your mind is probably already buzzing with ideas for different niches you can dominate on this incredible video e-commerce platform. But we want to make this even easier for you by including the ability to give away your channel licenses and profit with our Pay It Forward licensing. Read below to find out more about that and about some other bonuses that you can get your hands on today, as well as a walkthrough of the entire iSlick platform. But read quick. Snatch up your channel licenses while they're available at this super low price and start seeing your profits skyrocket. We'll give you a full 30 days to use iSlick, activate channels, and even sell a bunch of products. If you're not thrilled with the results, you can let our team know and we'll refund your money. There's absolutely no risk for you and a whole lot to be gained. So click below and I'll see you in the members area.